In this video, I will show you how to create a padded satin stitch. A padded satin stitch is a form of satin stitch where the stitches are used to cover a small number of straight stitches in the design area. This technique gives a raised effect. The padded satin stitch also is sometimes called raised satin stitch. I will be using an embroidery needle and contoured thread such as DMC Moulinet Special. To start, stitch an outline of the shape you wish to fill with split stitch or an outline stitch. When the outline is complete, fill the inside of the pattern with straight stitches to create the padding underneath the satin stitch. Now work satin stitch to cover the area in the opposite direction for the final layer. The needle needs to go in and out of the fabric outside of the outline stitch you started with. When completed your shape, you have a raised padded area like this.